Good afternoon, almost traders. Anyway, what a fucking day, eh? What a day. Well, I want to keep this bigger, so I guess I just got to scroll over here. Okay. Let's put on, yeah, it's right here somewhere. Maybe a couple minutes this way. That's probably it. Okay. There's the opening of the market today. And she came down. And, let's see. Yeah, there was. I can't believe it. I did this fucking trade and I'm forgetting already. Really upsetting. So, we have a lower lows, which was much easier to see when the price was up near there. It's so hard to look at these charts afterwards. They don't look the same, like I was saying yesterday. They don't fucking look the same. So anyway, I got in this trade and I was in profit and I thought, oh, we're going to keep going. Don't assume. Instead, trade what you see, not what you think. I guess I was trading what I think, but actually what I see too. Because it had gone up, I was in profit, and they rammed it back down. And I said, oh, stick with it. Maybe it's going to go back up again. Sure enough, it went back up again, right? And then for sure, I said, fuck, it's coming twice here. It's got to go back up, to the 800 level right up here. See 800? That's where I thought it was going. That's what it looked like it was going to do. But it never did it. So I guess I didn't, all that I knew is when it came back down here and it was fittering around here, I knew that they were going to sell it off. I just knew. I got the fuck out. That's one thing. If you're ever long in a trade or short, but in this case it's long. Okay? And it goes in your favor, you didn't take the profit. Even if it doesn't go in your favor, and the 5 comes back down below the 7, I think you want to get the fuck out. Because if you don't, this could happen. It could go all the way down here, and if you have your stop just under here, right, that would be the place to put the stop. Well, if you didn't get out yet and price came down, you're gonna want to get out somewhere right here when the fucking 5's below the 7. You can't continue to hold the trade. You're long and it's in a downtrend with the moving averages lined up to head down lower. You know what I mean? Yeah, you guys know what I mean. So anyway, I got out quickly right there before it really did any damage. I lost just a little bit. And then I shorted it. Why did I short it? Let me show you. There's the buy trade setup. You see it? Lower low, right? And the higher low. And this pointing up should mean it's going to go up. Well, it did go up, but not as much as I wanted. So then when price came down here, okay, I knew that was a short. And here's the short. It's right here. See how I'm walking over the trades I done? Like from start to finish, you see? So you guys see, you can understand the way my mind thinks and the way I'm constantly looking at those moving averages and they tell me stories. They'll tell you to buy, then they'll tell you to get out, then they'll tell you to sell. That's what happened here. You don't get married to the trade and hold on to a trade that keeps going down and down and down and down and down. No, that's a no-no. Okay? These moving averages help me to get the fuck out as quick as I can and cut the loss short. That's an old saying. Cut your losses short and let the profits run. Well, it's a lot easier saying it than fucking doing it. Okay. Anyway, so I got out. I had loss there at the beginning. I had some nice profits. I was hoping to get a runner way up here and get a really nice profit and do a one and done today trade. No, of course that can't happen for me. No. So anyway, then we came down here and look what we had here. What did we have? We had a buy fake. It's not much of one, but it still is one. And then they smacked it back down because the buy fake closed up above the 7 and the 5. And then when it came back down and closed below the 7 and the 5, it was time to sell again. So let me put a diamond on there. You know, diamonds are a girl's best friend, right? Right. Come on, you little bastard bugger. What the hell here? Right there. That's a hook down, man. And it was a success. The hidden divergence in the top. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to put the arrow. Jason, what are you doing? The arrow's right in here now. See, we went from bullish to bearish, and down it came. Then we had a buy fake, then a sell-off, and down it goes. And then after that, oh my God. If you didn't get fucked in here, I don't know what I can tell you, because I tried twice. Man. And it fucked me on both of them. They kept fishing people out, getting everybody to buy long right here at the 600 level. And then they slapped it down and slapped it down. Look at how many times they did that. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down. You see that? 5 fucking times they sucked in the longs here and dragged the fucking price down the chart. Dragged their ass down the fucking chart. Excuse my language. I hate when it does this shit. Oh my God, it's just awful. And then, if you stuck with it, I sure did. I kept looking. That's why I'm doing this video late today. I apologize. It is a little late. I'm not even gonna put like a line on here and say, "Oh yeah, it was hidden divergence." There was no hidden divergence here. There was hell on here. That's what there was. Fucking hell. So anyway, we got a low and a lower low. Okay. Finally got a fucking setup. Modzi Tabernacle. Sorry for all my cussing. I'll stop cussing now since we're out of there. Oh, it's awful. So anyway, you would have got long somewhere in here. Okay. And you had the opportunity to take profits here, or here, or here. You had 3 opportunities to take profit. And then what did we have up here? Well, I'll show you. I'll share it with you. We had a high and a higher highs, okay? This is, oh, by the way, I didn't say it yet. Okay? See that up at the top there? We're on the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. It's become so fine-tuned, you gotta trade it on the 1 minute or lower. You could put it on a 30-second chart also, if you have that on your platform. Know what I mean? And yeah. So the trade is right here. And down nicely it went. Is there a hidden divergence here? No. Well, there probably could be right on the edge, but no. So instead we'll look at it as, where did I put that? Oh, I put it way up there. Okay. Sorry about that. What we have here is a buy fake and a good buy fake. Okay. Then they smacked it down here, and this is where you would have sold. This is a hook down. A famous, soon to be famous, hook down by Jason Sweezy. The fucking Canadian with the funny last name. Okay? Yes. Fucking yes. Excuse my language. I said I was going to stop cussing. I can't help myself. Oh, I'm getting a bit of a headache now. I'm yelling too loud. Calm down, Jason. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. So this was another successful hook down trade. It went all the way down here. But if you missed the entry of the hook down, you could have got short again right here. It's a higher close, sell it, and down it went. See that? Beautiful. And we had another higher close, sell it, down it goes, right here. Not going to put any arrows or anything on, but yeah, it was a higher close right up to the 5, between the 5. If it would have went just a little higher, it would have been a hook down like over here. Excuse me, I got the hiccups now. I just ate some cereal. I was sitting here getting a headache because I didn't eat any food for like, I don't know, since, what time did I get up to? 8:30? No, it was almost 9:30. The stock market open. I got up. I came to the chart. Yes, I was up late again last night, trading my heart away. So anyway, we have 2 hook downs here. One here, no, higher close, sell it, down it goes, and a higher two higher close, sell it, down it goes. Okay, and that's it for the Nasdaq. That's it. That's the 1 minute chart. This is what I'm looking at, because like it's just doing what it's doing. You don't need 5 minute or higher. You just need a 1 minute chart. And I know to some people they go, "Oh, I'd never trade on a 1 minute chart. The lowest I'll ever trade is a 5 minute." Well, in this kind of market conditions, you can trade a 1 and you can trust it just like you trade the 5 minute. Okay, because look at all these setups on the 1 minute. Other people are trading them too, or trading whatever. So it will work on a 1 minute chart. I wouldn't go anything below 30 second. I wouldn't even use 30 second myself. I use the 1 minute. That's enough for me. So anyway, that's it for the setup on the Ninja. Let's go. Let's go to the MetaTrader 5. Here we go. Okay. Here was the news today at 10:30, I think it was. I don't know what time. No, 8:30. Anyway, we had one trade in here. This is the 5 minute. Actually, 2 trades. Okay, you're on MetaTrader now. This is a little different. So we had a higher close, sell it with 0 drawdown, and down it goes. How far did it go down? 200, man. Over 200 points, or ticks, whatever you want to call it. This is the Nasdaq 5 minute time frame. Okay, and then came down some more. I would not look for any trade setups down here, even though they dragged their ass down the chart. You know, because I don't like this. This could be the bottom. See, up here, that's the top range. In the middle right here, that's the mid range. Down here, that's the low range. You never want to, well, not never, but it's not a good practice to sell down at the bottom. Today, yes, you would have done well because they just trended this fucker down the chart. But most of the time, they don't do that. They fucking buy it back up and you would have got killed. Okay, you know that. I know that. We all know that. Okay, S&P, what did it do? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful one of these. Hey, hook down. Come on, you little bugger. There. You would have sold it right in there, and down it went. Would have been good. Now my stomach's making noises at me. Okay, the Dow. What did it do? You little bastard. Okay, we got a double top here. And this one is higher than this one, I think. Yeah, see? Level, a little bit, whatever. It was divergent, okay? It was. And yeah, and you would have got short right there. And it went down 137 points. And then we had another what right here? Come on, I know you guys know. When it comes back up and closes up above both moving averages, what is that? Come on, you guys know. It was a hook down, man, right there. But it came back down too rapidly. I would want to get in right here in the middle of this reversal back up. So you have room to your target, and the target's down here. See, if you don't have enough room from your entry point to some target somewhere where price was before, you might not want to do the trade. You need, usually it's best to sell, somewhere still in the higher range part of this move down. You always want to sell at a higher, better price, and you always want to buy at a lower, better price. See what I mean? Because that's what the big boys do. You gotta trade with the big boys here. If you don't, you could be in trouble. But anyway, let's look at this here now. So we got lower lows. And we got divergence back to the upside. And you would have got long in here. 57 points. And then, yeah, there's another one right here. I know, you're probably saying, really? Could you really catch all those trades? Yeah. There's lots of time on here. It's the 5-minute, man. You got fucking oodles of time to get in. Well, not to get in, but to first see it and then trade what you see and do it. You got lots of time to enter trades. Lots of time. Lots of time to spot the setup, the formation, the divergence formation. Whether it's higher highs, double highs, lower lows, double bottoms. Yeah. It's a beautiful thing. Like I said once before, I don't know if you're the same people listening that heard me say this before, but the guy who taught me divergence, okay, he said, let me show you, he said. First he sent me a picture, right? And said, oh yeah, I'm selling up here, I'm buying down here, I'm selling up here, I'm buying down here. He did it like 5 times. He goes, and I said, come on, there's no possible way you could do all those trades. And they were all successful divergence trades. He goes, okay, you don't believe me? Let me show you. So we got on a call on Skype. He shared his screen, and he was using the stochastic or whatever, overbought, oversold indicator. I'm sure you've heard of it. Anyway, and he was basically showing me. See, he said, right here, you draw it on the chart and show me, just like I draw it on the chart for you. You draw it on the chart, he'd say, see, right up here, da-da-da, higher highs. He said, sell here. He said, he's there here, see, down it goes. And then he showed me some buy trades, see, like down here. Buy down here, lower lows, buy down here, and up it goes. He said, see the profit? And he did this 5 times on the chart, and I'm sitting there with my tongue hanging out and my mouth open, like my jaw is dropped right down. And he said, this is not bullshit. I'm not shitting you. I do this all the time, he said. He's there, you just got to get, used to seeing it on the chart and whatever. And Even though he showed me this and he showed me how amazing Divergence is and how many setups there are and how awesome it works, he still didn't teach me how do you know beforehand that there's going to be like a sell up here or a buy down here. He goes, oh, that's easy. He goes, as the market's going up, he says you got to be telling yourself in your mind that you're looking for higher highs or a double top. And then he said, when the market's down at the bottom and it's putting in a low and a lower low, he's there, you got to be thinking about the opposite, counter trend, buying. Not that it always works, okay? But from the high, you got to look to be selling. It's counter trend entry points, okay? So he would tell you, see, the market's coming down. I'd be thinking, oh, it's going to put in I'm waiting for it now to put in a low, a retracement, and a lower low. Then I'm going to look to be buying it. See? Now, up here, this was the hardest one for me to learn, was the hidden divergence. This is hidden divergence right here. Okay? Took me years to find those. Years, man. I'm not lying to you guys. It took me years. It's not that I'm a slow, stupid person. It's just, it's kind of baffling. And I know there is a lot. I'm not trying to be an asshole here. I'm not. I swear to you, I'm not. But I know, like for me, it took me 2 years to learn that. The double tops and higher highs and double bottoms and lower lows, those are easy to learn. Those are the easy setups to learn. It's the hidden divergence that's difficult. That's why they call it hidden. Because it's hidden and you can't find it and you can't see it most of the time. But I mastered it. It took me 2 years to master it. So what I'm trying to say is I know there is a ton of people who have come on my channel and listened to me, talk about all this. And I know a lot of them probably tried to trade divergence and they either couldn't find it or they couldn't master it or they just give up because it's too hard. It's hard. It's a very hard strategy. And a lot of people, they just give up on it. And I don't blame you one bit. I wanted to give up too, but I said, no. I was stubborn. I was saying, I got to see these setups just like the guy who showed me how to trade divergence. Anyway, I'll mention his name. He's from Alberta. He's a Canadian too. His name is Russ Horn. He's a really good trader. Anyway, he is trading from 2002. He started. I started 2001. But anyway, when he showed me this divergence, it was like about 4 years later. I don't know where he learned it from, but I'm sure somebody taught him. Somebody taught him, just like I'm teaching you guys. Okay, so if you fall into what I just said and you find it very hard to find these trade setups, just start with the lower lows and the higher highs and the double tops and the double bottoms. Don't even try and find the hidden divergence for now. Just master those easy ones, then come back to the hidden divergence, okay? Okay, so let's move on now to the pound dollar, 15-minute. Oh. Yeah, we got a few setups here. This is the 15-minute. We have higher highs here. We have lower lows here. And up here, you could say we draw it right to there. Okay, it's close enough. It's a double top in my eyes. Is it a perfect one? Hell no. And the news took it down all the way down here. So if you entered, we'll put this one on first, and then I'll talk about this one. So this one, you got in long and it went up 30 pips. And then this one, you got in short. So you got in short right here. And it went down 52 pips. That's the two trades on the pound. Right there before your eyes. So you can see you can see how fast I spot these divergence setups. And there's only one reason for it, my friends. It's because I've been looking at the chart for divergence since 2011. Actually, even I was trying to find it in 2007. I couldn't see it on the chart until 2011. 3 years it took me just to see it on the chart. And then it took me years after that, like 5 to 6 years total, to the point where I can spot all the divergence setups on the chart. See what I mean? It's the same thing. Say you want to be a doctor, okay? You got to go to school for 5 to 7 years to master that, to be a good doctor, or whatever, anything in life. It takes time to learn the trade, and you got to master it. You got to master the trade. If you don't, well, then you're going to have to trade something else, whatever that may be. I don't know, catching knives, catching flying knives. You know, I wanted to mention that today. It's unbelievable how many traders they even have a name for it. In my day of trading, that was a big no. Don't try and catch a falling knife. Don't try and catch a flying knife. They never ever said flying knife. That's something I thought about. And coined the name, just like buy fake, sell fake. I coined those names. Not that people use it, but that's what I'm the one who come up with them. Okay? Just like in my divergence setups, hard to see divergence, easy to see divergence. Go look that up somewhere. It isn't anywhere. It came from me. It came from my brain. But anyway, we had some nice pips here. 30 for that one. Say we got in on this one and it went down. Yeah, 50. I already done that. Sorry, I'm a little mixed up. And then we had a hook down right here, but I would not trade that because it's down in the bottom of the chart, in the bottom range. If you try it, and it's always going to be a sell trade, so you don't want to sell down there because later on in the day they could rally it back up here and you'd be done. Okay? Let's move on now. But I know you guys can do this. I know you can spot these divergence setups. I know you can. You got to put some time and effort in it, just like the doctor does, to learn it. And sometimes you'll see real easy setups like this one right here, this double bottom. You know what I mean? It's so, you got to love these easy ones to see. Spot, whatever. Yeah, from here to here. Yeah, very easy to see it. And trade it. So if you got in long here, it went up 22 pips on the euro. And here we had a hook down right here. Let's just put that on the chart. Right there. See, there's a lot of traders out there that, well, there's some, they trade divergence, but they don't use moving averages. They just look at whatever and look for it. See, I could never do that. I couldn't find them on the chart. I need my moving averages to guide me. And they're always there right beside me on my side, on the right side. Okay? Like this one right here. Sell. Down it goes. Yes, how much did that one go down? 35 pips. That's a good trade for the euro. That's like 300 pips on the euro, or it used to be. Pound yen. Oh, look at the pound yen. Woo-wee. She sold off good today. Let me put on the 5-minute. Oh. Oh, baby. Either or. We'll just do this. Hold on. Right here. See, these are the ones that are hard to find. They're called hidden divergence. Yes, indeed. I also want to say that recently I put out some videos. They were like 12 minutes, 18 minutes, okay? And, and then I put out my usual videos like this one where I go on and on and on for like half an hour. and give you all this great trading knowledge. So guess what? 80% of the people, they'll watch the small one that's only like 12 to 15 minutes, and they won't watch the good one that's 30 minutes. Yeah. So say I get five views for the 12-minute one, and I get like or no, let's say I got that backwards. Say I get like 20 views for the short video, and I get like 5 for the long one. You guys got it backwards. You need to watch my videos that are the long ones, half an hour. I know it's a lot of time, but you'll learn so much from the ones that are 30 minutes long. That's all I can say. It's your choice what you want to do. And it's not like I'm making money off of it or something, and there's going to be more clicks to the ads. I don't have the ads thing on. Yeah. So anyway, hold on. We have a hook down. Oh wow, I'm heating up here. I got this freaking apartment is so cold. Now heating up. I'm overheating. Hold on, bear with me. I gotta take this coat off. Sweater coat, whatever you want to call it. It's a Dakota. Oh yeah, fall on the floor, you motherfucker. Okay. I was overheating. Holy shit. Oh, look what we have here. We have something before that. We have a low and a lower low. I just saw it now. So if you would have got long into here, it went up 36 points. And then this one went down nicely, see? Went down 82 pips on the pound yen. We're looking at the pound yen, ladies and gentlemen. And this one here is a hook down, and it went down a lot, 150 pips. And yes, here's a higher close, sell it down it goes, and it worked. But I would not suggest to trade down here. It's at the bottom range of the chart. Here's the top range of the chart. Here's mid-range. And here's the bottom that could get you in trouble. You know what I mean? Okay, let's look at the euro yen. Same la-di-da here. It's a hook down. Oh, and also we have hidden divergence. Yeah, over 5 years, ladies and gentlemen, of intense looking at the charts, trying to find this, and train myself to find it. Yeah. It wasn't easy. Nothing comes easy in this world. Nothing. And nothing is free either. There's no such thing as a freebie. You know what I'm saying? There's no such thing. And there's another thing I want to share with you. There's no such thing as luck. Some people think, oh, look, I got lucky. And the market goes in their favor. No, there's no such thing as luck. There's only one thing to get lucky. There's only one thing you can say that saying for. And that is when you get lucky with your, with your other half, whatever it may be, okay? That's where you get lucky, okay? That's the only one. And dumb luck, there's no such thing as dumb luck. The market went where it wanted to go, okay? And that's the truth. If you believe you do things in life and you get lucky and you have good luck on your side or something, it don't exist. There's no luck. That's the same thing as that little fucking green leprechaun with his little pot of gold, and what else does he have? They're green. 4-leaf clovers. that's a fairy tale. Come on. The gypsies, man. They got you all fucking believing that. There's no such thing as dumb luck or getting lucky on the chart or whatever. The only way you can get lucky is with your old lady. Okay? Okay. So that is the euro yen. We had a hook down and yeah, a hook down, and we had hidden divergence to the downside, and it was two successful situations at the same time. So that's like a double luck. Oh my god, I got double luck. Look. There's no such thing as getting lucky. Oh, it's so funny. I hear people say it. I think it's just fucking funny. Oil. What'd we do? These bastards. Okay. It's like a triple bottom, right? One test, two tests, but there's divergence right here too. Okay, let me first put on this one because it's a longer one, and then we have a shorter one for this trade right here. We have to put a double line there. Okay, so you could have done this trade first, right here. Oh, what the hell? I grabbed the wrong tool, so sorry. Okay, right here like this. It's pointing up, and you would have bought in here. I don't know what you could have got. Oh, it went up 30, so you could have got some profit out of that for sure. Okay, then we had the double bottom. You would have got long right in here, and it went up 50 basically. So you definitely could have got some profit in here. Okay, okay. What else did I want to draw on here? See right here, higher highs. But on here, this one's higher than this side, so there's no divergence to sell this down. Unfortunately, because it was a great sell-off from up here, it went down 100, went down $1 on oil. Yes, it was a beautiful thing. And we also had a hook down, and it worked. But would you want to do it down there? That's at the bottom range of the chart. You always want to sell from near the top, and you always want to buy from near the bottom. But you don't want to sell at the top because it could go higher and you would lose. And you don't want to buy at the... Okay, you don't want to sell the high, and you don't want to, buy the bottom because it could keep going lower and you could lose. That's why I wait for confirmation with my moving averages. That's why they're on the chart. They're part of the entry criteria, if you know what I mean. I know you know what I mean. Okay, let's move on now to gold. Okay, gold. Oh, it's a little messy. It's too messy. We have higher highs up there, and we have the divergence to support it, and we would have got short right there on the open of that candle right there. And why did we get in that candle there? Because the 5, see the 5? It crossed down. Actually, there were, look. There was a trade before that. See, I missed it. Somehow your eyes seem to I don't know, beam the other way, and you don't see the losing trades. You only see the winning trades. Isn't that fucking crazy? Look. We got a high and a higher high, okay? And we have a you know, the situation right here. So your entry would have been somewhere in here for this trade right here. Right here, higher highs, and then right here, lower low. And guess what? It went right back up again. So this is a losing trade right here. Hold on, let me put an arrow on there. I got to show you a loser, right? So somewhere in here you would have got short. And your stop would have been right here at the top. And they came back and got your stop. Those dirty bastards. Okay, so this one was a loser. Then if you were brave enough to do the next one, which is this one, okay, the 5 crossed down again. See the 5 crossed down here? That's why there was an entry, but it was they came and they got your stop. It was a sell fake. So right here you would have got short, and you got 67 maximum points on this trade. You would have, like me, once the price started coming back up here, I would have bailed. I would have got out. I would have got the fuck out. That's another thing. Once you see the line has gone back the other way, see the 5 cross back up again, it tells you, get out. You're short. Get out. It's going to go up. And if you got out, you would have had a smaller loss, and it came up here, and you would have went, oh man, look at that. They would have got my stop right there. Then if you did this trade, if you had enough nerve, okay, you could have got some of that loss back in here. Okay, now there's another trade. It's right here, hidden divergence. Okay, and from here to down here, see, right there to right there, and right there to right there, and you would have got short right on the opening of this candle, and it went down 95 points. So you see how you would have had the one loss, okay? The one loss was this trade right here. But if you kept looking for divergence and you traded it, this one would have been a winner. Then it came up here like this, and then we had more divergence, and then you sell it here and it went down 95 points. Crazy, huh? Can you tell I've been looking at divergence setups for, I don't know, 2011. So 11, 13 years I've been looking for divergence trade setups. 13 long years. But I've been looking to find divergence since 2007. That's like 17 years. Can you see I mastered it? But still, I don't catch all these trades all the time either. It's not easy as pie, you know. It's not dumb luck. It's not getting lucky. I already explained that. Oh, talking along today. Okay, so that's it for that. Now let's look at the crypto, Bitcoin. Oh, it's still sticking up there. And I've already looked at this. XRP, it has gone higher. As you can see, it went up today from 91 cents. It went up 15 and a half cents. It rallied up today from the low to the high. Went up 15 cents. Anyway, it's looking very promising, but will they sell it off again like they've done every other fucking time? Right? Let's go to the weekly. See? Up, sell off. Up, sell off. Up, sell off. See what I mean? Up, sell off. Look at this nice big bullish candle. Woo! Are we finally going to go up? You know, got to put it on the monthly. See, it's almost at this one here of last year. I want to see it go past here. $2. But that's still not enough. I need to go. I can't talk. I need for it to go up, like way up. Like, we're talking rolling around in the dollars. It's rolling around in the pennies right now. Man, I want it to be rolling around in the dollars, going up to $3, then up to $5, then back to $2, then up to $10, then back to $8, then up to $30, back to $20, up to $80, back to $70. You see what I mean? Rolling up and down, making higher highs. That's what I want. That's what I need. And that's what I'm going to like. I don't know how much longer I have to wait. Fucking 60 years old. You know, bought it 7 years ago. Anyway, let's see what gold is telling us. Oh, big correction. Ethereum? Oh, correction. And the yen? Oh, it does everything. See that? They run it up all week and then they take profits on Friday, and that's what you get. Okay, that's enough. I probably talked too long today. I'm very sorry. I just have lots of good things to say about trading, and I'd like to share it with you. I really hope you're absorbing what I say, and I hope it's helping you in your trading, because that's my whole goal here of doing this channel. It isn't for money, okay? It's not for the money. Okay, I have like I said, I'm not trying to preach it to you. I have a divergence course. Nobody really wants to buy it. It's not expensive. It's not like $600 like those other guys these days. I know they sell them between $400 and $600. My course, I think, is the best one out of all of them. And it's only $77. It's like going to McDonald's with your family, you know, and yeah, that's how much it would cost. $77 for your wife and 3 kids. Yeah, that's it. That's what it would cost you. But I'm not pushing it on you, okay? I'm just telling you it's at a very, very affordable price. And I just want to say it's entirely up to you. You can just keep coming here to my channel for free. It's always going to be free. There's not going to be any subscribe and pay $5 a month bullshit. No. This channel's free, 100% free. If you want to look more into this whole thing, you can. It's in the course. Okay. So anyway, I want to thank you for coming out and watching today and listening. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button. If you really like what you've seen, subscribe, because you can come back again on Monday and learn some more good stuff. And that's it, and that's all. Have a good afternoon trading. I'm done for today. It wasn't fun. I did make some profit, but it wasn't fun. Wasn't fun. Wasn't fun. Okay. Good luck and good trading.